have this. This is a vacuum generator and a vacuum producer. So you would pump this, right? This is a turbine. You'd have 4 of these on top of it. And then you would pack these in a battery, right? These batteries would go into this right here. Right here, batteries above on the top part, because you have to fit some compressors right here and a cooler right here. And then you would create a suction force with the negative cold and heat dispersal, the cold right here, and you'd make that compress or create a weld, create a vacuum suction pump, and then you would make it, you'd make this vacuum create a suction force from pulling the cool air and hot air. And these are hydrolysis, and you have thrusters with it, like turbo with hydrolysis, oxygen and nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen, I mean. But you would have 3 things with the hydrolysis engines: jars up top, and then you'd have these batteries right in here, right on each side of this, right? These would be where the batteries fit. And then the coolant, and then compressors. And you'd create like a, so this would be nuclear. So this in here, it has a core where it can safely pulse width modulate slow contact with points of radiation to thermally heat up an area. And this is where this vacuum would be right here with that. This would be above each of these pistons with another 4 stacked in each one of these. You know what I mean? And it'd be stacked right here, as from this point on to here is where those batteries would stack. What if you could make a generator that lasts basically forever and uses like NOS?